Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can load your computer into the recovery mode in order for you to go to system restore, test the drive, or go to a boot option, troubleshoot your computer. Mainly those are the main reasons, but especially that if you wanted to recover your system and do it that way. So what you'll do is you're going to click on start and then click on this gear icon here, which is settings. And then if you head over to, for example, you go to recovery, you go update and security. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to recovery over here on the left hand side, and we've got many options here. You've got advanced startup. So advanced startup is set up front or set up from a device such as USB, or you want to boot up from a bootable drive, a bootable flash drive to do whatever you want to do. Reinstall Windows, for example, off an external source, so you want to test the drive from hard drive, a disk checker, for example, or you're going to recovery, so you're going to go to reset this PC. So what we do, click on get started, click on that one there, and then it's going to say, do you want to remove files, remove everything? So you want to, this option here, remove everything, is if you want to wipe your computer clean, say that you wanted to give it to somebody else, or you just got the computer from a used computer somewhere and you want to wipe it completely clean before you want to use it again. So that one here, second one would be the most valuable option, but it will take longer and you cannot get your files back off that one. Just be warned on that one. Or keep my files will be this one. So let's click on this one. So we click on that, and then it won't take long to do that. But this would remove all programs or add applications, so you have to reinstall everything. So it's going to give you two options now: cloud download. So it's going to download the latest Windows 10 from the cloud, from the Windows cloud system, or a local reinstall is going to reinstall it from the latest featured Windows 10 update from your computer. So click on that one. I can't see very clear because it's the light reflecting off the screen. So you click on one of those two, and then you just go ahead, say cloud download, for example, and then it would say restore apps. It will restore your apps that came with the computer, download and reinstall Windows, 4 GB of data. So don't forget, by the way, this will actually download Windows, so this would take considerably longer. It would take quite a while, to be honest. It has to download 4 GB before it even attempts to install and reinstall your system. So just be warned that this will take this is a much longer option. What I suggest is that what you do is if you go back here, if you go for the local reinstall option, and it will reinstall straight from the computer, and then run the Windows updates, and then we get the latest featured updates for Windows 10 or whatever Windows you're running. So yeah, I hope this is, and then if you click on next until it starts the process, and just be warned that you may have to plug in your computer to the mains for this to be done. So hope this has helped you perform this operation, and yeah, I hope it goes well. Please like and subscribe if this has helped you. Keep posted for future updates on videos. Thank you.